Welcome to your roadmap. Today we are mapping out the journey to AI mastery using Python. Stop 1, the setup. You need a place to write code. Start with Google Colab. It's free and runs in your browser. Later, you can graduate to VS Code. Stop 2, the foundation. Learn the basics: variables to store data, lists to organize it, loops to repeat tasks, and functions to build machines. Stop 3, the toolbox. This is where data science lives. Use NumPy for math, Pandas for tables, and Matplotlib to visualize your insights. Stop 4, machine learning. This is the brain. Use scikit-learn to train models that can predict the future from your data. Stop 5, deep learning, the frontier. Use PyTorch or TensorFlow to build neural networks and generative AI. The path is clear. Opens your editor and start coding. Your journey begins now.